Hey guys, so I have started to learn the violin and I have been playing so far for 6 months, and I'm doing the Suzuki method, which if you know anything about music, you'll know what that is. And I wanted to show you exactly how much I have accomplished in 6 months. Now I do have previous music knowledge. I can read music. I played the clarinet for several years in high school and into college, but it's been 15 years since I picked up any instrument, and the violin is really different than the clarinet, but this is what you might expect to accomplish in 6 months if you are also an exhausted mother of 2 who tries to fit violin in between cooking dinner and homeschooling. I am going to try to play from memory as much of the Suzuki book as I can. So there is what my instructor calls a twinkle sandwich, and there are 6 of them. And I'm not gonna play all of those, but we'll start on the actual songs. First is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I think this is out of tune. I don't know. I think I skipped one. Did I skip? I did. one's hard. All right, this is I think I know 2 more. Lots of mistakes there. I think I'm supposed to repeat it too. So basically I know these 3 strings. The first 3 here, but I haven't gotten to this one yet. That's the one I'm working on right now. I'm kind of working all of them. Sometimes I can play them really well, and then some days my fingers are just like, nope. I know this one a little bit. You're supposed to cover that up with the same finger. That's all I know. That's what I've learned in 6 months of playing violin. And I want to polish these songs, and I want to get better, and I want to keep going, and I love it. I love playing violin. My son has also been playing for 6 months. He is 6. He is doing the Twinkle theme, which is the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and he's still playing the Twinkle Sandwiches, the I'm not holding it right. But he's still working on those, and he's doing so well. It's so much fun to learn something together. My daughter, we're going to get her to learn piano, and my husband's going to learn piano with her because he's always wanted to play piano. Then we can do quartets and duets together. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and a view of my kitchen. Bye!